Today I'm gonna make these black beauties. Sit back and enjoy. Hey guys, it's JC Chandler. Back again. I am back in the studio. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you've been creating something amazing. I've been playing around with my laser. Gotta clean it, but I've been making blanks. I've created some over the several weeks and decided to finally cut the ones that I'm thinking of offering on the website. And this is a pair that has been calling my name. I had an idea and I wanted to incorporate some chain and make it simple. Use simple materials, but make it simple but very dainty and elegant. But before I go any further, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for clicking play, commenting, hyping, just being here for me and watching the videos, because it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, and I hope you are doing well. Okay, so I have some chain, I have my wood blanks. I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna make this black because I want that gold to pop. And you can use paint. You can make this any color you want. If you like these blanks and I start offering them, let me know. Let me know if you want them. But use whatever you have. And I'm just making it simple using permanent marker. I'll try to provide links to everything that I'm using. I had this chain, I swear to you, man, I don't know when I got it, where I got it. I've had it for a while. And it could be an old Joann haul, it could be an old Michaels, it could be a Temu buy. I don't know. I don't remember. But use what you have. This one has balls on it. And I was looking at this blank and I was like, I want the chain with the ball to hang. I want it to hang right there. Like fall right in that hole. So I have to make sure that it's hanging right like that. So that's what I want to do, and I've already counted. I've got to go down 4 links to make it hang the way I want it to. So I'll need that chain. I have different size jump rings, and I'm thinking it's going to be this one, which I don't know what size. I think this is I don't know. I'll measure it. But put the jump ring, put the chain on the jump ring and the ear wire, blah 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 blah. Let's do it. Let's stop talking and let's do it. All right, the reason I'm using this is because I know it will dry fast. That one's drying out, so I'm not going to use that one. This one's a newer one. And I'm just gonna, I'll get the back another time, a little bit later. Right now I just want to get this started. Ever since I created the new set of blanks, I've been like, oh, I want to create something. I'm dying to create. You can't see it too much on the black thing here, but it's there. And really just keep it black. I'm not sure that I'm going to put any resin on it. Today I'm not. I'm not going to put any resin. It would look amazing if I sprayed it down with some acrylic spray and give it a kind of a sheen and then put this on. But I'm going to show you what I had in my mind, and if I want to, I can always take this apart and put that acrylic shine on it. It was just like a satin finish. All right, where's my tools? I need my pliers. I'm gonna do 2 pair of pliers because I'm gonna want to close my jump ring. I'm gonna need my flush cutters. What else do I need? Right now that's all I need. So I have counted the links and I need 4 to be cut off, and I'm gonna show you what I did to measure just to make sure I don't cut it before I'm ready. So I'm gonna count the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I had an ear wire and I put it into the 4th one. So let me do that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it twice. And then what I did was I hung this off of there and act like this was the jump ring, right? And saw where did I want it to land. And that's where I want it to land. If I take one more link, it'll be a little higher. Let's try it. It'll be a little higher. So 4, and then in the 5th link, let's see what it looks like. So it's a little higher. And does it fall? It falls good. It falls good. But it may not swing as much as I want. So maybe I don't do that. I think I want it to swing a little bit more. So let me put it back into the 4th link. And it's up to you. It's your preference. And then, yeah, that's going to swing a lot more than a lot more. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this link. And then I'm going to cut the others off. I know you probably can't see this, but I'm going to do it. And hopefully you can zoom in. I don't know. So I'm cutting the first 3 links off. And that's this chain. It may change because of the chain that you're using. Oh boy, this is magnetic somehow. Let's get this off of here. Okay, there we go. We got 1. And then I'm going to have to peel it off. And once I get this one done, I can do the next one. Alright, so I got it done. It's ready for my jump ring. And the reason why I counted, I did this because this is the distance, right? So if you get this chain or anything like it, measure it before so you know. Because my links might be bigger than yours. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I can chop off the 3. I'm coming over here so it don't snap me in the eye. Let's see if I got that. Didn't get it. There we go. Alright, so is it still in there? Still in there. Alright, now what I want to do is get my jump rings, find out which size I want, and I think it's going to be the smaller one. Let me measure this for you. And because this is black, I don't want to use this gold because it doesn't match, right? This gold is too yellow for this. So what I'm going to do is use a gunmetal one. Use what you got. But I'm going to use a gunmetal. Maybe I should use the brass. Nope, I'm going to use gunmetal. And let me measure this for you, because you want it to fit through here. And if you don't have digital calipers, it's up to you. But if you're doing anything with jump rings or you need to know the sizes of stuff, hold on. I need to do it this way. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, come on. I'm gonna go inside it. It took me a while to know how to use this thing. So that's probably considered a 5mm jump ring. That one right there. Because if you look, it's overlapping right there. And once I open it up, it's gonna be a 5mm. So that's what I'm working with over here. 5mm jump ring. Let me open this up. Let me put the chain on. And if I was smart, I'd have my ear wires out. So let's do that. This is going to be quick, y'all. So the ear wires match the chain. This is just for demonstration purposes, guys. Let's see. I'm going to do... Uh-oh. I'm going to have to twist this, I think. Let me go ahead and put this on right here. And I'll put the ear wire on later in a little bit, because I might have to twist that ear wire, depending on the kind that you have. So there's my earring and the way the ball hangs. So for this, I'm going to have to twist my ear wire this way, because I want that hole to be facing forward, because of where the jump ring is. I could have probably used a smaller jump ring. I think I'm gonna try the other one with a smaller jump ring and see what happens. And then we'll be done, because I'm not gonna do any resining right now. This is just a simple earring. Oh my gosh, I love the way that's gonna lay. That's so easy and simple. Easy and simple. And you can do these in multiple colors, do different chain colors. This was so quick and easy. All right, let's use a smaller jump ring and see if it makes a difference on this one. I'm excited about this. All right, so we got a smaller jump ring. Uh-oh, nope, that's the same size. Let me go and grab another one. This one may not work. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'll try it. Let's just see. In this one, what size is it? I'm gonna say this is a 5. Excuse me, not a 5, but a 4. Oh, that's a 3.5. It's probably, yeah, 3.5, 3.3 millimeter. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna throw the chain on. Make sure it's in the same hole, which it wasn't. All right, let me get my ear wire turned, because I think that would be beneficial. I'll turn it. And then, let's see, I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna put it on this way. I don't know if this jump ring's gonna be big enough. Oh, it's just enough. Just enough. Okay. So I'm gonna use the smaller one. Yes, look at that. Oh, let me see. Yeah, there it is. Look how that just hangs and flows. Oh, I love that. Let me clear this out so y'all can see what I'm looking at, because this is nice. Okay, move that. Move that. Let's get this out the way. These earrings are cute. Move all this so you can see what's going on up in here. Look at this. I'm gonna put them on a card. That was quick and easy. There's nothing on. I'll put something on the back, but this is nice and simple and quick. If you are looking for something that you want to create quickly but don't have to put a whole lot of money into it, look at that. I love those. And you could do them in different colors. I'm thinking of doing this also. I have made it and cut it in a shorter version, so it'd probably come up to about this long. Yeah, I like this. This came out exactly how I wanted it to. All right, guys, y'all let me know what you think about these blanks. Okay, I hope you go create something amazing. I'll see you next time. Bye.